Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you another Bitcoin and market update. Really appreciate everyone's support, guys. If you're not already on the Twitter, go check it out at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you get the most up-to-date information on trends, trading, and analysis in the market. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the follow, hit the alerts. Let's get it going. So this is a Bitcoin one-day chart, okay? And for anyone new, we're in our macro A, B, and C wave down correction. Our C leg is down here. And what we're looking for on that macro view is for price to get back above that A wave, hold it as a key level of support, and be good for continuation in the market. We have our higher time frame trend line here in yellow and our lower time frame trend line in the white dotted line, and then also our price action channel here that we've broken down out of. So if you've been following the YouTube and the Twitter updates, then you know how we've ended up down here. We held our yellow line of support, broke down from it with a small technical target, and have now fallen through these price levels that I've had marked for y'all that on the Twitter and the YouTube updates as well that now we're respecting. So as you can see, we are in our lower time frame triangle pattern here, and I gave y'all updates last night on the technical targets to break out both to the upside and to the downside here. Okay, and we did have a nice breakout here, and I told y'all, whichever way you play, make sure you're looking on these lower time frames for a breakout and a back test, and then you can be good for a continuation. And if you go down here to like a 15-minute chart, you can kind of see that on a zoomed in look, right? Where you even got a breakout here and back tested it, popped off, even got a kind of like a second back test here where you almost went back down to the line, which could have provided another good entry if you're trading this. And now we've gone up and met our first pink line here at 36034, bounce off of that as resistance, like I figured we would. This is just a rough green path I drew. Should we break up? And then now we're looking to get back to this line, claim it as support, right? And then be good for continuation up to our target. And I even said that, I think if we did break to the upside, then we're probably looking at some form of a back test of the yellow line, right? And even potentially our lower time frame trend line up here. Okay. So that's what Bitcoin's looking at right now. We did break out this pattern to the upside. We are running into resistance at this price level right now, fell back to it, and now we're trying to retest it again as resistance and ultimately break that and have some continuation to the upside. Okay. And when we were down here, I was explaining to y'all, why we're going to have this bounce, right? I didn't just, say, hey, we're down here, I think we're going to go up. I explained that we have this lower time frame pattern here, right, that provides technical targets to each upside and the downside. If you watch the Bitcoin and market update yesterday, then you know that I was showing y'all this white line here where I think we would bounce would be in confluence with this higher time frame trend line here, as well as our white line that provides that higher low structure in the total market cap. Okay, so not just Bitcoin, but the total market cap for all crypto. Okay, so that's why we're getting this little bit of bounce here. We'll see how long it plays out. Don't want to make the video too lengthy today. Just wanted to give a quick update on what we're looking at. Not too much price action from from here where we are on the 22nd to here on the 23rd, or essentially in the same spot, right? So not too much price action here. We are getting our break here out of our lower time frame triangle pattern here, right? Ran into a price level of resistance, fell down from it, and we're looking to now reclaim that level of support and hopefully be good for continuation optimally up to our yellow line level or even our trend line. Now, if this were to break and we reclaim that, then we're talking a whole nother story here of what we could be looking at. Because I did give an update. I said, if we're below this yellow line, that's where all these price levels down here, become in play, right? But if we're above this yellow line, then we're just looking to start reclaiming these levels up here. And we can kind of shut off all these lower levels down here going down to 20K. So that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin. Just want to do a quick one today. Nothing too crazy has changed, like I said, in price action, but we are looking to try and reclaim a price level of support and be good for continuation here on the lower time frames. Thanks for watching, guys.